Welcome! In this video, we're going to use data management in Fabric Planning to convert our asset tracking spreadsheet into a collaborative data app. We're going to start off by creating a new plan item in our Fabric workspace. To ensure that other users can access the app, we'll set up a connection to the database. For data management, we'll need to create a new Power Table sheet. Within the Power Table sheet, we are going to create a new app and select a Fabric SQL database, which we'll use to upload our asset tracking data into. We already have the employee table in the Fabric SQL database, but first we'll upload our asset management spreadsheet as a new table. Once we select and upload our spreadsheet, we can see a preview of the data. In the next screen, we can see the structure of the table being created. We have the option to make changes here, but we'll proceed with the structure as is. We now have our asset management data in our Fabric SQL database table. Next, we'll also connect to the employee table that's already in the database in a new sheet. Let's start setting up our asset sheet. We'll start with our Assigned To column and replace the employee IDs in here with their names from the employee table. We can do this by editing the column configuration. We'll switch the value type for this column to a lookup. We can then pass the employee IDs to retrieve the employee names. We'll do the same thing with the location column next. Next, we'll take care of the logo column, which is currently filled with just the URLs to images. Fortunately, we should be able to render these images by changing the column type. We see a number of different column types here, but the one we're going for is the image column. Now, we have a column for warranty expiry dates, but manually checking them is tedious. Let's simplify this by adding a new column that shows us whether a warranty has expired. A formula column would help us write a formula to compare the expiry date against the current date. We're going to write a simple Excel-like if formula to check for the warranty status. We also have the choice of persisting the new column to our database if we'd like to. Let's enhance this a bit more using conditional formatting to visually highlight the expired warranties. Our sheet can take multiple formatting rules, but we'll just define one. We'll apply this just to the warranty date column and leverage the new formula column we just created to check for the condition. Finally, we'll perform CRUD operations to update our data. Specifically, we're changing a manufacturer's name, but instead of doing it row by row, we'll use a quick find and replace. Once we've replaced the data on the app, we'll still have to save this updated data back to the database. We can do this at the click of a button. Once the data is saved, we have our asset tracking data app, all without writing a single line of code.